Today I'm going to teach you on how to remove your information from Transunion. Step 1. Go to www.optoutprescreen.com. Step 2. Click Continue after selecting Permanent Opt-out by Mail at the bottom of the page. Step 3. Fill out the necessary information like your first name, middle name, last name. Filling out Social Security number and date of birth are not necessary. I encourage you not to fill it out. And now continue to street address, apartment number, city, state, zip code, your phone number. Step 4. Complete the security letters, then press Confirm. Step 5. The permanent opt-out election form should be printed out and sent to Consumer Assistance from Innovis P.O. Box 495, Pittsburgh, PA 45230-1689. Note: your letter can take some time to reach them, and it might take some time for them to delete your information from their database.